Hello, this is my whiteboard assignment that I've created using Miro. I think that's how you pronounce it, but I focused this assignment on angles, and you'll see that there are columns with acute, obtuse, straight, and right angles. On the side here, you'll see the different tasks that I want my students to perform. One of them is to use this drawing tool, this pen, to draw in the correct angles, to draw in the correct arrows for the corresponding angles. Down here you'll see images of examples for the different types of angles, and they'll have to drag them into the correct spot, as well as these sticky notes that I used with this tool, and they're going to have to drag the definitions into their correct terms. I believe this activity is interactive because rather than just visually looking at information, they have to apply it into tasks and recognize different examples of these angles, recognize the different definitions of these terms, and how to apply it using a clock.